increase your sales by 10x. Believe me, simply by changing your logo. This is something new in the market. So, a scientific logo is actually something based on occult sciences.
So logo is something which is very important. Avoid using red color. See, half knowledge is always dangerous.
Welcome to Shachi's Communication Center. What if I were to tell you that you can increase your sales by 10x? Yes, 10x, simply by changing your logo. Would you believe me? Believe me, because today our guest makes it happen. She can make your sales go from 1x to 10x simply by making a scientific logo. Welcome everybody, Devashri Thakur from Arkashastra 9. Hi Devashri.
Hello, Sachi.
Like I told my guests, I know it is possible to increase your sales from 1x to 10x simply by changing the logo.
Yes.
But this is something new in the market. This is not something very age old. So, how do you actually, convince people that something like this can happen?
Just by seeing a person's logo, I can make out what exactly it is going in the organization.
Just by looking at the logo without knowing anything about the person.
Yes.
You can actually make out whether that organization is doing well or not well.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's how scientific it works, right?
Yes.
Okay, so suppose somebody is coming to you and they already have a logo. What do? You modify the logo or do you create a new one?
I just rate their logo out of 10. Then I tell them ki your logo is like this. If you wish, you can get it changed, because at time it happens that it is registered. So people at times they are spectacle without they should get it changed or not. But many people have changed their logo and they have got enormous benefit in their business.
So, how do you arrive at this scientific logo changing? Does it involve numerology? Does it involve astrology? What does it involve? Color therapy? I believe a lot of things go into it. So, what do you do? And do you already know all these modalities? Are you already aware of them? Are you an expert in them?
To start with, I'm a arena student, multimedia student.
Okay, that's your qualification.
Yes.
Okay.
And when I was a child, I had learned many kinds of calligraphy. I was excellent in drawing. I have learned many kind of paintings like tinjor painting, mural painting, jute painting, etc. So my inclination was always into colors and designing things and all. And scientific logo designing is which is adding more depth to my work, because I'm also a numerologist, I'm also graphologist, and into other modalities as well
Of the occult sciences.
of the occult science.
So, a scientific logo is actually something based on occult sciences.
See, it is a amalgamation of many things. Like if I talk about logo, scientific logo designing, see, logo designing is different and scientific logo designing is different. When we talk about scientific logo designing, first foremost, I have to see whenever I meet a client that which profession he is into, where is he based, where is the workplace, whether it is in a remote area, whether it is in a posh area or in a area which is very mediocre types. Then we see what is the problem that person is having in his business. Is there a sales issue? Is people are leaving? They are not regularly coming to the place. They're not getting many clients. So in depth, we have to study lots of things and have to know the business in details. Then we have to also see the what profession he is into. Like there are certain professions which is a very big ticket size. There are certain professions which is a very small ticket size. Likewise, we design a logo. And I also follow numerology, astrology, Vastu, and graphology. Apart from that, I also we use the method like elements. We use like lines, plasticity. There are many, many, many things which I can't reveal here. So there are
Obviously,
many.
that's your
Yes, yes.
USP.
So many things we take into consideration while making a logo. Like for instance, if a person is coming whose maximum ticket size is, for example, say 10K, and if a person is coming whose minimum ticket size is 1 lakh, so the logo is entirely different for both the people.
Okay.
So what kind of clients they are looking for? Likewise, we design a logo because we have to study in lots of depth and we have to know each and everything about the organization. Then we can design a logo. because many logo I've seen loss making logos. A company is 100% when I see, I say that company is having losses. There are certain logos which gives lots of health issues. So just by seeing the logo, I can make out what exactly thing is going in the organization.
How long does it take to design a logo of this kind?
Around minimum 15 days for sure.
Okay, so if somebody is planning a scientific logo, they have to approach you at least 15 days in advance.
Because your logo is your parallel identity. Many
is.
people, they know me more by Ankashastra 9
Rather than as
Devashree
Devashree Thakur.
and they remember my logo. So logo is something which is very important and it can definitely increase your business 10x by just changing or doing some color correction and changing your logo.
I remember asking you whether you could do mine in 2 days, and you said no, and that's why I didn't take this option. Now I'm regretting it. I'm really regretting it because I know that you believe in learning. That is one of the very positive things that I know about you. You're constantly upgrading yourself and your database. And I know that you must have done it in this also. You must have started from
Yes,
scratch
I have completed my master's in scientific logo designing recently.
recently. And where from?
Yeah, I have a mentor from Pune.
Wonderful. So this is something that is not available in Ahmedabad, which you are offering, and that is scientific logo designing, and you are a master at it. So this is something, guys, that very few people of us know, that scientific logo designers are available locally here in Ahmedabad, and we have our very own Devashri Thakkar. So Devashri, what else do you think this kind of logos? Who else can it benefit?
It can benefit from a small ticket size to the n number of ticket size because a person's business is recognized by the logo.
And you feel they're different. The logo will be designed differently for a small ticket size
So,
and the same person, but if he has a bigger ticket size, the logo will differ.
yes,
So it's not just the person or the business,
no,
but even the ticket size, which makes a lot of
ticket
difference to
size
the designing of
a
the
lot of
logo.
difference.
Uh,
And also in which locality they are based.
Oh,
Yes.
so if they're based in Ahmedabad rather than the whole world,
Not
that'll
Ahmedabad.
change.
Like if their office or their workplace is in some remote area, the logo will be different. If the
So
office is in a very posh area, the logo will be different.
what about audience? Suppose the audience is only Ahmedabadi clientele.
No, I do online consultations also.
No, now I'm talking about the logo. Does the logo change if my clientele is not from city to city?
Area to area. If you're
Okay.
sitting in a very posh area like you are sitting right now, the logo has to be different. If your workplace was in some city area or some remote place, the logo would be different.
Okay, that
Even
also has a bearing on
on
it. Huh?
which floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, even that matters.
Okay.
So we have to, that's why I said that we have to study in lots of details about our client before making a logo. We should know the
15 to 20
inside
days.
out because we have you in a session before I make a logo.
So it's almost like a homeopathic doctor. They learn everything about the person's blood. Okay. So you also for the logo also it's so logo is more like a medicine
Yes.
for all your problems.
Monetary medicine.
Monetary medicine in order to
Because-
gain more money.
Yes,
Okay.
because our logo is our parallel identity. So that has to be very strong.
And that is how you guarantee 1x to 10x. Do you have any clients who've actually benefited like that, 1x to 10x?
many clients I have.
What about you? You also must have done your own.
Yes.
Have you recently changed yours to make it that 10x?
No, we keep on changing as we increase our ticket size.
Okay.
So right now it is stagnant, but maybe in future I might do little bit of alterations.
Okay.
Because
So
with
it's
time,
possible to change your existing logo to fit
Yes,
your
yes.
ticket size increase. All right. So it's not that major a change, but it will
No.
affect the trademark, right?
for sure. See, my logo is currently not a trademark, so I can.
You can afford.
If a client is coming who wishes to get a trademark, so we make it very powerful. Even after 10 years, he will not regret having the same logo.
So before approaching for a trademark, it's better to get it done with you once and for all. So that once it is done, then the trademark doesn't change.
Because in
All right.
my field, I keep on educating myself. I keep on learning new things. My ticket size keeps on increasing. So in my profession, I do little corrections, but it is not advisable for everyone because
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I have a tendency to keep on expanding my profession according to my hobbies. So I think that is very similar to yours. Like I started off as a dentist and went on to become an English trainer, to a French trainer, to a content writer. And you have been on that journey with me and you have noticed what I have been doing and you have really helped me. So, yes, I completely agree with you that scientific logo may make a lot of difference to from 1x to 10x. But there are a lot of skeptics. Let's talk about the people who are skeptics, who don't believe that this actually works. So, what things can you tell them in order to convince them that,
By seeing the current logo, I can tell what the fallbacks are.
and if the fallbacks are exactly what they are facing, then they should give you a try for the scientific logo.
Definitely they come to us before.
So a consultation is must.
Yes, the consultation.
And you do it online as well.
Yes.
You don't need to be in Ahmedabad to get your
Even my
consultation.
clients sitting in Ahmedabad, they don't come to my place because logo, I barely take 15 to 20 to 30 minutes, max to max 45 minutes to understand a person's business. That is done via phone.
Okay.
Yeah. So meeting face to face is not important in scientific logo.
Do you conduct classes? Like there are lots of art colleges in Ahmedabad. You don't teach. Okay. So you're not planning on starting classes? Because I'm sure there are a lot of graphic designers out there who would like to be, maybe they can do a collaboration with you.
That
And
can be done.
so graphic designers can approach you for the designing that scientific logo. So you must be having your own graphic designer
Yes, I have many graphic.
who is working according
I
to you.
keep on changing them because I can't reveal my traits to everyone. Because if I'm stick to a particular graphic designer, that person will come to know exactly how am I working. Because if I talk about your logo, Sachi, it is a very good logo. It is not a loss-making logo. You will have lots of ideas. You will do like many things into creativity. And जो दिल से दिल की बातें होती है ना, which we are doing right now, वो आप बहुत ज़्यादा करोगे because the color is telling the story. And you will have very cream and posh people.
I originally, if you remember my original logo, it was very bright and something very.
In that logo, you were very technically good and you had very good business sense.
But I felt that as I'm aging, I wanted to have English.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling.
So I
That
shifted to color.
time, people they change, but it is restricted to certain professions. But I don't advise it for all the professions because we are doing something new every day. So we can afford to change our logo and make certain alterations because it is not trademarked or registered.
I know you have this wonderful habit of giving tips to your followers and to your subscribers on your Instagram and your YouTube channel. So I would love you to give some tip on your scientific logo. I do understand that we need to do a consultation with you because without that, nothing is easy peasy. But if you can suggest a small little tip
I'll
to
give you
our.
two examples. Like, see, scientific logo designing. If I talk about Netflix, Amazon, YouTube, they all are different things. So why Netflix logo is red and black? So there is a science behind that. Why Amazon is having brown color and a smiley like A to Z with an arrow, that is having some meaning. Like why Myntra logo is curvy, little fat and having multiple colors.
So they're all scientific.
They are all scientific. Recently, I went to Fever FM and I decoded the logo. The owner was literally flat that, ma'am, how do you know so many things about organization? Because since they changed the logo for it's been more than 1 year now, they have felt the difference. What I told them, it was resonating a lot.
Okay.
So, what advice that I would like to give is avoid using red color,
Okay.
especially if you're having a very good ticket size. Red color, if I talk about Netflix, it is for masses to attract lots of masses, but with a very small ticket size. So, red color, I would say you should avoid.
All right. Okay.
In detail, see, half knowledge is always dangerous. I do use red color, but it depends again. So, don't just follow this thing by not using red color because in some place it gives lots of benefit. In some areas, it is just the opposite. So, exactly, I can't advise, but yeah, you can stop using red color to some extent.
Devashri, thank you very much for being with us this afternoon and talking to us about something that is unusual, but something that can have a very big impact on our businesses and maybe the ticket size from 1x to 10x. So, thank
Definitely.
you for discussing about your scientific logo. All our guests already know where to find you. So, you are in Sabarmati, but easily available online. And your Ankashastra 9 is very viral both on Instagram as well as Facebook. And people can easily connect with you from there. So I'm hoping that you get a lot of buzzes after this because I'm definitely coming back to you. And I don't know whether I'll be able to change my logo a third time, but I'll definitely try. So thank you again. Thank you very much.
Most welcome.
Thank you for being with us today.